Hi everyone, GoFries here at Colorful again, and this time we're going to have a look at this PC over here, which is the Neptune. But before that, this Computex 2024 coverage by GoFries is sponsored by Acer. It's slightly dim over here because the lights are casting down from here and giving a bit of shade. So let me bump up the exposure a bit of this recording. So yeah, you can see this is called the Neptune PC. They don't have the specs over here right now, so I'll see if I can plop anything on screen. But you can see the specs of the RTX. But what I want to show you is the Neptune PC itself. So starting from here, you can see the name is Neptune, right? So what is Neptune? Neptune is this RTX 4090 that is cooled with this 360mm AIO, the Reds 360, 3 120mm fans, and 2 sticks of memory. And that's pretty much that. This is a vertical aligned system, of which you see the I/O panel is over here, and then the graphics card. Pretty much that. So this is a brief coverage of the Neptune PC over here. Alright, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. More to come for this Computex 2024 coverage. So this is the Neptune PC.